Hi Olivia, it's Robbie. Did you have a nice day yesterday?
Hi, Robbie. Yes, I had a great day yesterday. I went to Akko with all my family. It was fun. There are lots of things to do in Akko. The first thing we did was walk around the old city on the walls. It was hard because it was a hot day, but the view was amazing.
Cool.
After the walk on the walls, my little brother and sister were tired, so then we sat in a cafe to have a rest and eat an ice cream. They love ice cream.
I love ice cream too.
After we finished our ice creams, we visited an art museum. I don't really like art museums, but my mom thought it was great.
What about lunch? Weren't you hungry after the art museum?
Yes, we were. We went to a restaurant for lunch. My parents ate fish, but I don't like fish, so I ate hummus and pita.
And then, what did you do after you left the restaurant?
Finally, we went on a boat ride around the old city, and it was fun. After that, we went home.